My husband has Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, and he just left here. I couldn't stop him. He's on his way over to Walmart.
Okay, let me get your address in here. Is he driving or walking?
Walk.
Okay. What's his name?
Carl Richard Stringer.
Okay. And what's his race?
Black.
And how old is he?
83,
Okay.
84.
What was he last seen wearing?
Red jacket, gray pants,
Okay.
green shoes.
And then what's your name?
I'm his wife.
Okay, we'll get someone out there. He's trying to go to Walgreens, you said?
Walmart.
Okay. Is that him sitting right there?
Does he have gray pants?
Looks like blue pants.
But he's got the red on.
Yeah. Carl, right?
Yeah. 44. Oh,
You're Carl? Richard? Is your middle name Carl? Or do you go by Richard? Richard? You live right here? 4408? Yeah. Alright, where's your wife at?
Oh, she's next door.
She's next door?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna get a quick.
yeah.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Okay, something's not right.
Yeah. Well, they were calling and saying that you were headed to Walmart,
What?
and they said that you were on foot walking to Walmart. So we were driving around looking for you.
Well, when you came over here and just sat down, I noticed they put the garage door down. Remember me telling you, because then you can't get back in. No, he's been here for the last hour.
Yeah, he's been sitting over there.
He's been here for the last hour.
She shut down the garage and he couldn't get back in.
Oh. Yeah. She said you were on your way to Walmart to go to some eye center.
No.
Did you mention anything about an eye care center?
Oh, no. I know.
He was going to get glasses.
Okay. So she thought you were on foot walking on Georgesville. Yeah.
I don't think Richard would do that. No. She thought you were walking, Richard, to get.
I walked over there twice. I was driving. What's the name of that food store?
Walmart
I walked over Walmart twice.
since
When I
you've
want
been
something,
here.
when I want something, I go. I don't know why she called the police.
Yeah. Well, the part that bothers me is you are busy, and there's things that you need to be taken care of, not this. But yeah. Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
but they called. We're
You get a
coming.
call, you gotta come out.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah, we thought you were walking down Georgesville somewhere. So we were riding up and down Georgesville looking
I
for you.
told her before I came here that I was going to go get my eyeglasses.
Oh, okay. So that's probably why she thought you were on your way there.
I said, no, I was. I told her, because we went someplace early this morning. I said, I didn't get my glasses. Well, I'm not going to get them right now. I'm going to get them later. I said, well, I'm going to get mine now. So,
Carl, your wife said you can just come on inside whenever you want to. She didn't know where you were. That's all it was, okay?
You know, I thought when I came, he was just coming out and he sat down and she shut the garage door down so he couldn't get back in.
Okay.
So I wondered about that. I thought that was
She called us thinking that, like he said, that he was going to Walmart. If you could just make sure he goes back inside whenever you guys are done
Yeah,
hanging out, okay?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Of course.
All right, have a good day.